Hey everyone, Lane here from Maker's Lane. One of my buddies, Joe, asked me to help him build a deck off the front of his house. So that's what we're going to work on today. Let's go get our bag packed. Never clean. Woo, hey look. Safety glasses. Battery pack. Tape measure. These things, they're squares. I know what they're called. A level. More power, baby. I think that's all I need for this one. I'm gonna pick most of the other stuff up. Let's do this. All right, let's go. So yesterday, my buddy Joe and I, we went through, measured everything out, got a rough materials list ready. So we got like 4x4s, 2x10s, deck boards, screws. We're gonna go pick that up right now. And then we gotta go get an auger and a jackhammer. All right, to the truck. Quick shout out to my father-in-law for being so awesome and letting me use his truck. Okay. What are you wearing? Wait, before you get in, you gotta tell everybody how much of an awesome craftsman you think I am.
You're pretty good.
All right, you get in. Let's go.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes by the end of the day.
Yeah, whatever. It's too early for this. Good morning.
Morning, morning. Good, how are you?
Anywhere. All right, so we have all the materials and everything. I'm just gonna show you what we need to do in order to get this done. All right, so here's the area we're working with. There's Joe, he's awesome. So pretty much everywhere you see a bag of concrete, we gotta put a post. So it's gonna come out right to about here. This is gonna be the bastard part. So the deck is gonna be all over here. So this all has to be gone. And Joe is gonna show you how it's done with this bad boy. Man, this is gonna be fun. All right, go. Oh yeah. Get it, Joe?
That's right.
Okay. Alright, now help me drill these holes. Now that's done. All right, day one in the bag. What do you think?
Yes, sir. I think it's chugging along pretty good.
You like the way it's looking?
Yeah. Yeah, the shape looks good to me.
Yeah. It was like a
That
long...
groundhog, man. Those holes were a pain in the butt.
Yeah, and my original thought was the jackhammer would take longer than the holes would to drill.
Total
The holes
opposite.
took like
Yeah.
3 times as long as the jackhammer. You done? Until tomorrow. So day 2, rain. It stopped right now. It should stop for about 2 to 3 hours. So hopefully we can get a bunch done. There's everything we got done yesterday. Got all the posts in. Got most of the concrete pulled up. So let's see what we can get done today. Well, other than the paint, looks done. I think we might put a railing on it too.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. 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 It rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night.
Here it is, all done. I figure you guys didn't really care to see the paint dry. Pretty uninteresting. But yeah, this whole thing we did for under 1,500 bucks. It was a fun project. I had a lot of learning experiences. It's the first deck I've ever put in. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Well, I'm Lane from Maker's Lane. See you next time.